everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now we are in a very difficult situation because of the COVID-19, so I have changed all my routines. I must work now because I'm very essential in my company of apparel customer service. I changed all my routine and I want to show you now what is inside my bag because it had changed. Let's start it. I show you what is inside my bag. Let's start it. First, I have one mask going to train, bottle of water, this for coffee because I get up very early in the morning. I have not hungry, so I put inside this sojirushi inside this thermo. Coffee for breakfast. Let's move on. I have here my cell phone, my headphone, locker key, say passages because we cannot leave our house. I have this information for the police that I can go outside. Another kitty mask, very cute. I bought in Okinawa. My house keys, cat from my Lola. My car keys for Lord Vader, my master. Some fruits, something to drink, juice, apple juice and cacao milk. If I feel hungry, I can eat it. What else? My pouch. I have inside a lip gloss, hand cream, tissue, a sanitary pad. It's from Furla. Was a present of a Japanese magazine from 2 years ago. What else? My card holder. This is from Longchamp. I bought a long time ago, maybe 4 years ago. It's real leather. A new mask. And also my Louis Vuitton K-pouch. It's quite different than the other handbag for work because I bring a lot of food and a mask, water, a lot of things that I need in this very hard time. Please don't forget to thumb up and also write your comment down below. And also if you like this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching this video and take care. See you next video. Goodbye.